Hey guys, welcome to Spin Rewriter 12 review. Are you looking for a fast, affordable, and simple way to add unique content? Want to create the highest quality content that Google can find and rank higher on their SERP? You have spent hours upon hours researching and writing content, but Google is mercilessly, and your article isn't even in the top 10 ranks. With Spin Rewriter, you will never have to worry about your articles not ranking high on Google. You will be able to create human quality articles that rank high on Google in a matter of minutes. If you are writing quality content for your niche website, you know just how long it can take to write a new unique content. That's where Article Spinner can be useful. So, Spin Article Rewriter 12 is the best option to post rewritten article to WordPress website from Spin Rewriter dashboard. It comes with a 5-day free trial and with ENL technology. Spin Rewriter has been around for more than 9 years, and from that moment it was first released, they have been supporting it and updating it. Spin Rewriter is the perfect tool for SEO specialists that need unique human quality content to rank higher on Google. Then try Spin Rewriter for free by logging on to the link given below in the description box. Spin Rewriter at discount coupon code for $497 lifetime. Choose your license below to get started. Spin Rewriter Start using Spin Rewriter now with their famous 5-day trial pack. It comes with a monthly plan which is for $47 a month. It comes with unlimited articles, ENL spinning algorithm, bulk spinning, mass export. Early plan is for free for 5 days, then $77 only. Unlimited articles, ENL spinning algorithm, bulk spinning, mass export, and comes with a bonus of video module, and bonus 2 is 10 free seed articles and 60% discount and 5% free trial, 5-day free trial, and the lifetime payment for $497 in a single payment. It comes with unlimited articles, ENL spinning algorithm, bulk spinning, mass export. Do you have a product or a service to sell that needs extra special content? You don't just want to write a generic marketing copy and articles. You want the best content possible and you need help. Spin Rewriter natural language generation algorithm is specially designed to produce quality, key rich copy in minutes. Spin Rewriter generates high quality content on your behalf, helping you improve your SEO rankings with human readable content. Spin Rewriter new upgraded 12 2021 pros and cons. Spin Rewriter is a content spinning tool and happens to the world's only application with EML semantic spinning. This unique quality empowers it with an understanding towards the actual approach and feel of the word. Unlike other spinners, which are mostly born to work with synonymous terms, Spin Rewriter emerges as the commander in this club. Try Spin Rewriter for free by logging on to the link given below in the description box. Here are top reasons you should be getting with Spin Rewriter 12. One for each day of the free trial. the easiest ever spinning tool. Add your article, hit the button, decide how many variations you want. That's easy. Dozens of high end features. Spin Rewriter works. It's simple, but that doesn't mean you are short of tools if you need them. Nested spinning, paragraph creation, copy scale analysis, it's all here. Sentence and paragraph level spinning. Spin full sentence and even full paragraphs. Spin Rewriter is smart enough to understand meaning and generate whole new versions. Create hundreds of variations in seconds, literally hundreds and literally seconds. Check out the demo video in the description box. Never be stuck for content again. With Spin Rewriter on your side, you will never need to worry about the getting contents again. The world's best spinning algorithm able to produce content that reads like it was written by a human. A huge increase in the amount of content you can produce because you don't need to rewrite every article. You can run far from more blogs and get far more traffic from now. You can automatically pull relevant images and videos straight into your articles. The most widely supported APL in the SEO industry has huge numbers of tools let you plug the spin article rewriter straight in. An unlimited number of spun articles. No, 50 articles a month or whatever so the other spinners might offer. With Spin Rewriter you can spin as many as you want. So if you want purchase from my link, I am going to provide you free ebooks. So just contact me on my Instagram ID. Send me a screenshot of your payment proof that you have purchased the product through my link, and I'll send you the ebook link. I have attached the Best Buy link in the description box below, and I have attached the demo video. So take a look at it. Thank you.